Hi, Orange Group. This is Orange Sort 29. You have three main patterns and then you also have an oddball. So go ahead and grab four colors. All of your words have a R in them, an R in them. Most of your words have the U and the R together. Some of them don't. So we'll take a look and see what those look like. All right, let's go ahead and grab our first color. All right, we're just going to do the regular old U-R, which makes the sound, just regular U-R. So we have earn, I hear the b-earn, I see ch-erch, k-earl, I hear the h-ert. Let's see, we also have hurl. Hurl is a different way of saying like you throw something, you hurl something across the room. We have churn. Churn means that you are mixing something. We have curb. Curb, outside. Don't fall off the curb. Blurt. Blurt. We have purr, like what a cat does. It purrs. Let's see, we have surf. Surf, like learn how to surf the waves. Let's see. Oh, burst. We have the Let's see. Let's wait. I think that might be it for us. All right, go ahead and change your colors. I'm going to do U-R-E this time. So the U-R-E are right next to each other. There's no letters in between. This changes the sound slightly. Instead of I hear sure. There's an E on the end. Pure. Do you hear there's a little bit of a difference. Sure, pure, cure. There's a little bit of a difference. And the last one I think down here on the end is lure. Lure. If you lure something, like if I lure a fish to get near me, I'm bringing it closer. I'm trying to get it closer to me. Okay, go ahead and switch your colors. Now we have U-R, and then in the middle, between the U and the R, there's another letter. So U-R something and then E. For example, curve. Did you notice it's an now? There's a V in there. U-R-V-E. Nurse. There's a U-R-S-E. It makes a different sound. Purse. U-R-S-E. Curse. U-R-S-E. And the last one, urge. Urge means I want to go do something. U-R-G-E. So we have U-R, which makes the sound. U-R-E, which slightly changes, like pure, sure. And then the U-R something E goes back to again. So slightly different. And then you have one oddball down here. It's the word were, like we were going to go outside for recess, but then it started raining. It makes the sound, but it's not a U-R, it's an E-R. So you have one oddball. Go ahead and take a picture. Make sure you study and put this list in a safe spot.